Hey everyone, today we're gonna see first look of recently launched Hisense U6G Series 4K QLED Android TV that comes with quantum dot and full array local dimming technology. Let's quickly take a look at its specs followed by the top features. With quantum dot full array local dimming, we can get sharp pictures, deeper black and brighter whites up to 600 nits peak brightness and enhanced contrast ratio. And it supports Dolby Vision Atmos, dual band Wi-Fi and Android TV 10 out of box. From design perspective, it's a slim and bezel-less design and comes with pure metal stand, which is aesthetic pleasing design to your viewing experience. 55-inch QLED TV model launched for 60,000. The unique selling point as quantum dot and full array local dimming. With Vox, what do you think? Do comment below your questions. Let us dig into deeper interview. Do subscribe to get updates. Thanks for watching.